Hello children. There are dash black squares in a chessboard. Now here you can count children. Black, you might say, where are black squares here? There are only brown and white. Yes, but in chessboard actually there are two colors of squares. One is black and the other is white. Alternate squares. See, one is black, one is white, one is black, one is white. So that is how the squares are in a chessboard. So this is not brown. Consider it as black, children. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. How many black squares are there in a chessboard, children? 32. Option C. Okay. Now in the same way, if they ask you how many white squares are there in the chessboard, that is also the same as 32. Number of black squares is equal to number of white squares. Okay. Or else an easy way to count this is, take any line. Let us say this. How many black squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what can we understand from this? In each line there are 4 black squares. Now how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 lines and 4 black squares in each line. Now how many black squares are in 8 lines? What to do, children? We need to multiply. 8 fours are 32. 32 is our answer. Okay, so these are the two ways to solve this question. There are 32 black squares in a chessboard. Next, total number of squares in a chessboard is dash, out of which dash are white squares. Just now, what did we do? We found out that there are 32 black squares in a chessboard. Now, what should we find out? We should find out the total number of squares in a chessboard. See, wait a minute, let me erase this here. Now again in the same way, we will multiply and find out. Take any line and count the total number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many squares are there? 8 squares. And how many lines are there? Just now we have counted 8 lines. Now there are 8 squares in one line. 8 squares in one line. Then how many squares are there in 8 lines? How do you find out, children? We need to multiply. 8 8s are 64. There are in total 64 squares on a chessboard. So what is the answer here? 64. The total number of squares in a chessboard is 64. Out of which, how many are white, children? Just now we have done that half of the squares. That means 32 are black and other 32 are white. How many are white? 32 are white. Now if you look at the options, option A 32 and 32. No. Wrong. Option B 32, 64. No. Option C 64, 34.